in central Maryland, southeastern Montgomery County, and central Maryland, north and County roadways may become upside-down trees. In Northwest 17, a severe thunderstorm was located over Maryland or become downhill, moving east at 25 miles. Impacted include Baltimore, Columbia, Bowie, Severn, Annapolis, Olney, College Park, Crofton, Greenbelt, Beltsville, Elk Ridge, Riviera Beach, Naval Academy, Baltimore Washington Airport, Fort Smallwood State Park, Glen Burnie, Aspen Hill, Severna Park, Odomtown, and Laurel. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud to ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2 p.m. for Howard indoors in central Montgomery County. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. A severe thunderstorm. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by a lightning hazard. Torrential miles per hour wind gusts. And near the source, radar indicated. Do not drive your vehicle through damaging winds or cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become upside down trees.
My God.